Forget science fiction, artificial intelligence is here. And it's already doing things that will blow your mind, from creating art to reading your thoughts. Here are 10 incredible things I can do right now. Number 10. Create art and music. AI can generate breathtaking images from a simple text description, compose music in any style, and even write poetry. It's a powerful new tool for human creativity. Number 9. Write articles and code. News organizations use AI to write reports, and programmers use it to generate and debug code, dramatically speeding up their workflow. Number 8. Translate your thoughts into text. Using brain-computer interfaces, AI can interpret neural signals and translate a person's thoughts directly into written text, offering a new voice to those who have lost the ability to speak. Number 7. Predicts diseases. AI models can analyze medical data to predict the likelihood of diseases like cancer or heart conditions years before symptoms appear, enabling early intervention. Number 6. Discover new medicines. AI is accelerating drug discovery by designing entirely new proteins that have never existed before, opening the door to new treatments for complex illnesses. Number 5. Detect your emotions. By analyzing your voice, facial expressions, and even the way you type, AI can infer your emotional state. This has applications in everything from marketing to mental health care. Number 4. Master complex games. AI has learned to dominate the world's most difficult strategy games, like Go and chess, discovering moves and strategies that human players had never conceived of. Number 3. Power self-driving cars. AI is the brain behind autonomous vehicles, processing massive amounts of sensor data in real time to navigate roads, traffic, and obstacles safely. Number 2. Debate with humans. AI systems can now engage in complex debates, constructing logical arguments and rebuttals on a wide range of topics, challenging our own perspectives. And the number one mind-blowing thing AI can do today: read your mind. Researchers have developed AI that can reconstruct images a person is seeing just by analyzing their brain scans. The line between technology and the mind is blurring faster than we ever imagined. What will AI do next?